Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Joycon Gray is probably one of the most iconic and essential accessories for any Nintendo Switch owner, offering a versatile and immersive gaming experience whether you're playing solo or with friends, seamlessly transitioning from handheld mode to TV mode with its innovative detachable design and intuitive motion controls, making every gaming session dynamic and engaging right out of the box. Number 5. Nintendo Switch OLED Model W White Joycon. Experience your games with stunning clarity. Its vibrant 7-inch OLED display brings every detail to life, making your gameplay more immersive than ever. Connect and play with friends wherever you are. This console supports local co-op, online multiplayer, and local wireless play, offering endless ways to game together. Store more of your favorite games and content. It comes with 64 GB of internal storage, ensuring you have plenty of space for all your digital adventures. Immerse yourself in rich, clear sound. The enhanced audio in both handheld and tabletop modes makes every game sound incredible, drawing you deeper into the action. Play comfortably in tabletop mode with its sturdy, wide adjustable stand. Easily find the perfect viewing angle for a more enjoyable gaming experience. What we like. This model elevates your gaming with its stunning display and immersive sound. If you prioritize a premium visual and audio experience in handheld or tabletop mode, you should consider this. It's perfect for gamers who appreciate vibrant colors and rich sound, making every game feel more alive. What people say. Number 4. eXtremeRate Switch OLED Joycon Custom Shell Kit. This custom-designed replacement housing is engineered to perfectly fit your Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED Joy-Con controllers. Its precision cut to work exactly like the original shell, ensuring a seamless upgrade. Add a unique touch to your game controller with this replacement case. It brings much more personality, moving beyond those standard, boring colors. Installation requires moderate electronic modification experience. You can find a detailed video guide on YouTube by searching eXtremeRate New Horizon Style for Switch. We recommend watching it in half speed, pausing, doing, and repeating each step. Crafted from premium ABS material, this shell is both durable and practical. Its matte black finish looks fantastic, offering a smooth, silky grip that's anti-slip and sweat-free for extended gaming sessions. The package includes the replacement case for your Joy-Con, a full set of buttons, and the necessary X and Y00 screwdrivers. Spare screws are also provided, ensuring you have everything for the transformation. What we like. This offering allows you to personalize your controllers with a unique look and feel. If you enjoy DIY projects and want to stand out from the crowd, you should consider this. It's ideal for those who want to add a personal touch to their gaming setup and enhance grip comfort. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 3. Nintendo Switch Neon Blue Red Joy-Con. Experience gaming freedom with this versatile console. It offers 3 distinct play styles to suit any situation, whether you're at home or on the go. Easily switch between playing on your TV, sharing the fun with friends in tabletop mode, or taking your games with you wherever you are. When playing handheld, its vibrant 6.2-inch multi-touch screen brings your games to life. Enjoy a responsive and intuitive gaming experience. Enjoy long gaming sessions with its impressive battery life, ranging from 4.5 to 9 hours. The duration will vary based on how you use it. Connect with friends and family for multiplayer action. It supports Wi-Fi for online gaming and allows up to 8 consoles for local wireless fun. What we like. This console offers ultimate versatility with its 3 distinct play styles. If you're looking for a balanced gaming experience that transitions seamlessly from TV to handheld, you should consider this. It's perfect for families or individuals who want to enjoy gaming in any setting, whether at home or on the go. What people say. Number 2. Nintendo Joy-Con LR Gray. These controllers open up entirely new ways to play. They are designed specifically for use with your Nintendo Switch console. Enjoy extended gaming sessions without interruption. This model provides approximately 4.5 to 9 hours of battery life. You can use them independently, one in each hand, for unique gameplay. Alternatively, attach them to the Joycon grip to create a single, unified game controller. They easily attach to the main console for handheld mode, perfect for gaming on the go. You can also share one with a friend to enjoy two-player action in supported games. Each unit functions as a complete standalone controller, equipped with a full set of buttons. They also include an accelerometer and gyro sensor, enabling precise independent left and right motion control. What we like. These controllers unlock new gaming possibilities with their independent use and motion sensing. If you frequently play multiplayer games with friends or enjoy interactive motion controls, you should consider these. They are ideal for expanding your gaming options, allowing for spontaneous two-player fun anywhere. What people say. No reviews provided in the source. Cannot extract points from an empty source. Number 1. Nintendo Switch Lite, Gray. Experience the joy of Nintendo Switch gaming wherever you go. This console offers an incredible handheld experience at a fantastic price point. Designed to fit seamlessly into any family, it brings entertainment to all. Everyone can find a game they love on this versatile system. It's perfectly optimized for personal, handheld adventures. This system is remarkably small and light, making it ideal for gaming on the move. Enjoy its sleek, unibody design that feels great in your hands. It comes with fully integrated controls and a convenient built-in plus control pad. This device is compatible with a massive library of games. You can play all physical and digital Nintendo Switch titles that support handheld mode. What we like. This compact system is designed specifically for on-the-go handheld gaming. If you primarily play in handheld mode and value portability and a lower price point, you should consider this. It's perfect for individual gamers who want a dedicated, lightweight device for personal play anywhere. What people say. No reviews provided in the source. Cannot extract points without source data. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.